talk about how can you fix this problem on your Free Fire Max app. So all you have to do is you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Free Fire Max app, or just click here on search, then here add you add here Free Fire app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.